Hi everyone, in this video we are going to make a beautiful basket. So cover this plate using this floral fabric, flip it and cover the bottom as well. Now we are going to paste this beautiful blue thread on it using hot glue gun. We are also pasting these white sticks on the top. Bend it like this and we are going to start pasting this fabric using hot glue gun. We are using now two different color of fabric, white and blue. Twist it like we are doing here and put it through the sticks like this to the top. We are going to do this like we are doing here and finally paste it at the top using hot glue gun. Cut the thread. Now we are also giving a finished touch by twisting the fabric like this and putting it at the boundary like we are doing here. Finally we are completing it and it's done. Now we are going to make the handle. We are putting these beautiful beads first and we are going to bend all of them and start covering it using the same color thread like we are doing here. We are going to put both the handles together and tie them closely. We are adding a beautiful lace at the end and look, your basket is ready. We're going to cut a heart shape and cover it with this beautiful fabric. Now paste sticks around it using hot glue gun. After this we are going to cover it using thread. So we are using this blue color rope. Paste it using hot glue gun. Now we need another rope. So we are going to twist it and put it through the sticks like this. Braid it till the half. Now change the rope. We are using this baby pink rope and braid it till the top. Now cut it and now we are also cutting the extra sticks using a cutter. Paste these pearl on the top of it and look, it is looking so pretty. Now we are going to roll a fabric on this wire and bend it like this. Put it on the surrounding. It will give it more beautiful shape. Now we are going to cover this heart shaped using this baby pink fabric and put a transparent sheet at the bottom. Now put these pearls and cover it like this. After this we are going to attach a beautiful lace at the corner. Put it on the top as lid and look, your beautiful heart shaped container is ready. Let's make this beautiful pen stand. First we are going to cut this circle and cover it with this fabric. Now paste sticks around it using hot glue gun, then cover the base as well. After this we are going to braid it using this beautiful yellow color rope. We are going to put it through these sticks till half. Now we are going to change the color. So paste another color rope and start braiding it like this and cut the excess part. Now we are going to cover this ring as well and then put it on the top of the pen stand. Paste a beautiful lace. Put a doll at the top and look, your very creative pen stand is ready. Let's use this empty container and make something beautiful like this. So take this empty box and cover it using jute rope. Now we are going to paste these sticks around it using hot glue gun. Bend it like this. Now cover the base as well. After this we are going to braid this pink color rope around it. So twist it and put it through the sticks. We are making a beautiful pattern like this. So braid it till the top. Now we are going to bend all the stick downwards. Here we are going to give a beautiful pattern at the top. Start braiding it again. Put it through the sticks and paste it using hot glue gun. Now we are going to press it like this and you will get a beautiful pattern. Now cut the extra sticks using a cutter. Paste a beautiful lace at the corners and look, your beautiful container is ready. You can put a flower inside it or use it as decor piece. Thank you so much for watching this video.